Hi, I am Joo Won. I am from Busan, South Korea. I was working in the UK cooking French cuisine. It wasn't until when I go back to Korea I discovered how much I love Korean cooking. I think Korean food has lots of different character and flavors. It became one of my favorite cuisine. I know I am Korean, but I do still discover a lot. In Korea, we have 4 different distinctive seasons. It obviously brings a different seasonality and its ingredients. Spring, nice young vegetable. We have really nice summer dishes, and autumn, the dishes get soupy, chewy, really hot. And when the winter comes, it's a lot of preserving and fermentation. That's how we survive that harsh weather. All those seasonality ingredients, when we cook it, it is all based on very important 3 different sauce base. It's called GOCHUJANG. This GOCHUJANG is in our fundamental flavor of Korean cooking. Doenjang is fermented soybean paste. It is very versatile. It can be used in many different forms in Korean cooking. Into the stew, it can be a very simple dips mixed with other ingredients, or it can be just a very simple dressing for the salad. When it's used in the stew, it harmonizes all the ingredients. Instead of just a salty flavor, it gives a really nice background savory. Ganjang is basically the soy sauce. You ferment soybean block with the brine. When the soybean paste is ready, you strain the liquid, and that is the ganjang. It is used in many different forms, but just think you can use it as instead of a salt. It can be into your soup, it can be as a dressing, it can be as a dip. It's very, very versatile. It's the very basic of Korean seasoning. Gochujang is a mixture of chili pepper powder and glutinous rice, and also meju, which is the soybean paste block. Mix all together and let it ferment, and becomes really nice chili heat, but it doesn't have immediate heat. The heat comes really slow and bigger, and also it has really nice sweet background from the glutinous rice. It is also used on everything: stew, dressing, just as a dip. It gives a really good body to your dishes. Kimchi is very unique. It's not the main dish, but it is more than a side dish. Our basic setup, kimchi is always there with rice. You can have a simple meal just with the rice and the kimchi. You can have a stir-fried kimchi, rice and egg. It becomes beautiful stir-fry. It can be a kimchi stew with the pork. It can be a kimchi with the fish. It can be quite difficult to make, but it can be very simple to make. So you just need to understand the basic couple of ingredients. Obviously the kimchi, brined, and Korean chili pepper called gochugaru, fermented anchovy sauce, and garlic, ginger, and salted shrimp. But it's not just the sour and the tangy. It's really addictive, that savory taste as well. Perilla is my favorite herb. I love perilla, the smell, the aroma. It is a mint family, but it's not as herbaceous as mint. It tastes lovely when you use as a wrap, salad, or you can pickle in different ways, and it can be into the salad, stews. It's very, very versatile. I think everyone should try cooking Korean food at home. It can be very, very easy as 1 minute. It can be very, very difficult and complicated, but very enjoyable for hours. Hopefully I made you understand a bit easier about the Korean ingredients, and hopefully you will enjoy as much as I do.